inside, which you apparently had on to a pole.
Everyone's starting to wander.
And we're all talking to ourselves now in the cameras.
Everyone seems to be talking to themselves.
The rest of us have to take smart pictures.
It could be the heat. I doubt that because it's pretty cold out here. Could be the food deprivation. I doubt that too. Because I ate breakfast no more than 3 hours ago. It could just be that we're going crazy.
What's this?
Hey, Frankie, look at
It's Waldo dropping. Where's Waldo? He's in there.
Everyone seems to be sticking together. I'm not sure how long that'll last.
Before we start turning on each other.
There's some protesting in the group. Brandon's trying to bribe our.
You're starting to catch glimpses of the tensions running high.
What are you gonna do?
I'm gonna start staying back. Take it easy, boys.
Where are you going, Frank?
Not over yet.
At the next New Year, when we have the 2011 glasses, only one eye will be able to see through zero.
Mr. Valentino.
We're coming up to a pretty interesting spot here.
No matter of minutes.
Those are going to match with the freaking play Tom. We'll walk in front of the room, we have cameras. We've started to eat the stone the chip. By the way, it is delicious. Tastes like salad.
Okay. If I had brought my backpack, I'd have started eating my lunch right now. I've been like.
I ate my lunch for breakfast.
I hope the bell doesn't ring when we're out here because I got first lunch.
Yeah, we've got deadlines.
A corrupt bargain could be going on.
Hey, we have to go in. We have to find food.
We can't go in. It's unsafe out here.
There is no exit strategy.
Brandon has asked Mr.Valentino.
We have absolutely no plan of getting out of the savannah.
We're walking through heavy brush.
We're losing community. I'm definitely going to get mine.
Ow, my face. It's cutting me up. Oh my God.
People seem to be making it through the brush with no problem.
These vehicles have passed through here recently, within the last month or two.
Just close your eyes, everybody. It's going to be over soon. Just keep on moving.
What are they doing over there?
Don't stand around for too
Oh
long.
my God, they'll be eaten alive.
No sudden movements.
This is a slave trade. It's like the Middle Passage, except for we're not all water.
And now we're going back.
I'm waiting for them.
Seems we've lost a few of our own.
Multiple examples of littering. Wait! We have pubs, everybody patches on. Make sure you guys...
I'm sure this place is full of ticks. Probably snakes. Maybe some rhinos. Can't be too sure. I'm just glad to be out of there. Not exactly.
Hey, this is Frankie. Kody.
And moved ahead. Senator Sexual Capture.
We're coming to the end of this road now. We're moving towards some buildings. There's almost no time to tie your shoe.
This is going to be a BA video montage.
You risk everything. where you have to tie your shoe.
What?
Oh, we found a road.
My God. Was that
Not
Ross?
sure.
The blood stain. It's Ross.
But,
Oh, God. Come on.
I can't be too sure anymore.
Oh, it's like a skin. It's like Frankie got a little bit of fight.
it goes to a soccer field.
He doesn't have an off switch, does he?
It seems they found something.
Look, Applehead.
Look at Frankie.
Look at that!
It's as if they mysteriously arranged themselves
Watch
into
out for this
circles.
anthill. It's all gonna die.
It just sucks in.
Everyone be careful!
Wait, are these turds? No, just we're stepping on Stonehenge now, totally ruining architecture.
What is it, Frank?
These stones were broken from a quarry. Many miles away.
Oh, that's another example of what? We broke apart from the group, Frank. They're leaving us.
In transit, everything's becoming very startling now. We've just entered through the restricted area. Nobody seems to remember why we're out here anymore. It seems like over half an hour ago we set out from the classroom. There's no cars out here.
You only need one thing. Man, bear pig. Man, bear pig's out there. He's back.
It's quite possible that Man Bear Pig is indeed out
He
here.
is a threat to our nation. Serious threat.
Whoa! Whoa!
Is there a problem, Mr. Gordon?
Not yet.
What the hell was that?
We heard some strange sounds. It's time to be moving more quickly.
Only two.
I'm very, very startled now. I don't know how much longer I'm going to last out here.
Only me and Kody are left.
The sounds are growing closer.
Frankie.
Only me and Kody are left now. It's getting too close! It's here now!